How to format images for the web in Squarespace. So to format images in the web for Squarespace, take for example in here this one, you first need to head over and upload images between 1500 and 2500 pixels wide in JPEG, GIF, or PNG format. Make sure to keep the size under 500 kilobytes for optimal performance. You also need to use RGB color profile and file name with only letters. For example, let's take this image as an example. Let's click on this edit right here. And as you can see, I have in here this image. We have in here the alternate file name, the alt text, and in here we have in here the design for that. You can proceed to click onto that image and you can see how it looks like. You can proceed to click on edit, and from in there, it should be able to help you edit it in order to meet the requirements. You can click onto this crop right here and change its pixels, add some filters, as well as adjust it in order to fit the images for the web in order to maximize your best SEO. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out.